Hi everyone. So today we came out and just to install the mount, GoPro mount. Let's see where we can actually install it. Let's do it. Let me try over here. अगर ये यहाँ पे fit हो जाता है तो, but I doubt it will fit because the space is not there. No, not much space. Over here. This is actually not the place where I wanted to install it, but yes, for now let's fix it over here and see. We need to position it well, like this, so that the view will come absolutely the way I want. That also. इसके लिए ये स्क्रू निकालेंगे और put it like this. And then so we are all set to go. So as you saw, GoPro has been installed. Let's rock on now. Let's turn on the power. Let's fix this GoPro helmet mount on my helmet. So I have this modular helmet, and what I observed is if I fix it over here, then I can get a very good view, but if I open it, then it creates some problem. So what I am doing is I just open this and now try to fix so that I can get the position right, and I have checked a bit. It looks good, like the video is good. So what I will do is I'll just fix it for now, but I cannot change it. So I have already cleaned the surface. Let's just fix it over here. Fine. I think it is totally fine. Let's fix the GoPro cam as well and see the view. So what I will do is I'll just do some testing and we'll share the post again, and we'll continue with the GoPro video in this vlog. So stay tuned.